Hello, and welcome back to my channel. I am Teacher Roan. Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ang mga trigonometric ratios. Ano-ano ba itong mga ito? This is our introduction to trigonometry. Pag sinabi nating trigonometry, it came from the root word trigonon means triangle and metria means measure. So, this is about triangle measure. Ang trigonometric ratios, as you guess it, may kinalaman sa triangle. In particular, right triangle. So, let's start. Let's look at the triangle ABC. Meron tayo ditong A, B, C na vertices. Naka-capital letter sila or yung tinatawag nating uppercase. Yung sides naman na opposite dito sa mga angles na to, naka-lowercase na ABC rin. Mapapansin ninyo na naka-encircle ng red yung symbol na yan. Ano kaya ibig sabihin nito? Ang ibig sabihin ng symbol na ito ay theta. Pag sinabi theta, this symbol signifies an angle. Anong kinalaman nito sa ating lesson? From now on, ang mga sides natin ay i-refer natin dun sa kung saan yung position niya with regards to theta. So let's start. Makikita natin na yung theta ay nakadikit sa dalawang sides or ito ay included sa dalawang sides, side C at side B. Alam natin na ang side C ay hypotenuse. From our past lessons, hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle. Ito yung right angle, opposite yung hypotenuse. Now, this is also the longest side. Ano naman ang tawag natin dun sa isa pang side na kung saan ito ang side nung angle theta? Okay? Included yung angle theta, di ba, sa dalawang side, yung B tsaka yung C. Anong tawag natin dun sa isang side na yon? Ang tawag natin is adjacent. Adjacent siya to the angle theta. And of course, kapag ka nakatapat, anong tawag natin? Yes, we call it the opposite. Okay? So again, in this case, yung angle C ay right angle, ang opposite niya ay hypotenuse. With regards to theta, yung included siya sa dalawang sides, yung hypotenuse at yung isa pang side. Ang side na ito ay tinatawag nating adjacent. And then, yung opposite dito sa side ay simply, we call it the opposite side of angle theta. Okay? So, this is very important in our lesson. Okay? Because our lesson will focus on this these sides. So, let us look at the sixth trigonometric function. Okay, so let's look at the triangle ABC again. So, again, we say that C is the hypotenuse. B is the adjacent. And side A is the opposite. Quick note, lagi kong tinitingnan una or hinahanap una kung ano yung hypotenuse dahil ito yung pinakamadaling ma-identify opposite the right angle. Yun namang theta, titingnan ko, naka-include siya sa hypotenuse at yung isa pang side. Ang side na to ay tinatawag na adjacent, and then yung natitirang side, yun ang opposite. So ngayon, titingnan natin yung mga iba't ibang trigonometric function or ratio. Ito yung mga yun. So, let's start with the first one. Ang unang trigonometric function ay tinatawag na sine. Ang sine ay ibig sabihin, okay, opposite over hypotenuse. So, dito sa example natin, ang opposite ay A at ang hypotenuse ay C. Okay? Tinatawag din natin yan or sine theta. Sine theta. Okay? And then we have the cosine. Or tinatawag natin cosine theta na tinatawag nating cos. Shortcut. Okay? This is now adjacent over hypotenuse. Okay? Dito ang adjacent ay B at ang hypotenuse ay C. And then we have the tangent. Tangent theta or tan theta. Okay? This is opposite over adjacent or A over B. Okay? Meron pa tayong tinatawag na tatlo pa. Ito ang una, pero ito ang basic, yung sine, cosine, or tangent. Sine, opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent, opposite over adjacent. Para matandaan natin, ang tinatawag, meron tayong tinatawag na mnemonics. Yun ang tinatawag na so, ka, towa. Sine, opposite over hypotenuse, so. Cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse, ka. Tangent, opposite over adjacent, towa. So, ka, towa. Para madali natin tandaan. Meron pa tayo natitilang tatlo. Ang tatlo pa ay meron tayong tinatawag na secant, okay, hypotenuse over adjacent, cosecant, hypotenuse over opposite, cotangent, adjacent over opposite. Kung mapapansin natin, ang secant ay reciprocal ng cosine. Ang cosecant, reciprocal naman ng sine. At ang tangent ay reciprocal ng cotangent. Okay? So, we have 6 trigonometric ratio. Sine, cosine, tangent. So, katowa. And then, secant, cosecant, cotangent, we have kosyakaw. Actually, cosecant muna dun sa kosyakaw. Okay? Sorry. Okay. Chosyakaw. Chosyakaw. Okay, so let's look at this given. Meron na tayo dito, instead na theta, meron tayong alpha and beta. So let's start with the with alpha first. So may binigay na A, B, at C. Okay, so tingnan natin. Okay, with respect to alpha muna tayo. With respect to alpha, so we're going to solve the trigonometric ratio with respect to alpha. Alright. So, tingnan muna natin, i-identify natin yung sides. Okay. So, sa alpha, makikita natin na ang ating hypotenuse ay yung C. Okay, so hypotenuse is yung C, which is, okay, and then ang ating adjacent, okay, ay yung B. At of course, ang ating opposite ay yung A. We can solve now for the 6 trigonometric ratios. We have sine alpha, okay, which is, again, what is sine alpha? Diba ang sine alpha is opposite over hypotenuse? So, yun ay A over C. Or sa atin, makikita natin sa sa figure is A equals 8 and then hypotenuse equals 17. So the answer is 8 over 17. And we do the rest of the trigonometric ratios. So cosine alpha is adjacent over hypotenuse. That is B over C, which is 15 over 17. And then we have tangent alpha. Tangent alpha is opposite over adjacent. Opposite is A over adjacent, which is B. So that is 8 over 15. Okay, how about the rest? We have secant theta, which is actually the reciprocal of cosine. So we have hypotenuse over adjacent. Okay, that is C over B. That is 17 over 15. Okay, we have cosecant, which is reciprocal naman ng sine, which is hypotenuse over opposite. C over A, which is 17 over 8. And then finally, we have cotangent. Cotangent, we have the reciprocal of tangent, adjacent over opposite, which is B over A. 15 over 8. We can also do the same with respect to beta. Makikita natin na ang angle beta ay nandirito sa part na ito. Mapapansin din natin na mag-iiba yung magiging kinalaman ng sides dun sa angle beta. So kung ang hypotenuse, since we have the same triangle, the hypotenuse is still side C. Pero kung titingnan natin, yung included yung angle beta sa side C at sa side A. Therefore, mababago ang ating adjacent at opposite. Magiging ang adjacent side natin ay angle as side A, and then ang opposite natin ay yung side B. And then, we can do the sine, cosine, tangent, secant, cosecant, and cotangent of angle B or beta. Can you do that? Of course you can. You can do it on your own. Pause this video, replay it, and try for yourself kung paano mag-solve na ang ginagamit naman natin is with respect to angle beta. So this is again Teacher Roan at paalam. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this.